Hello.
His son Bingo,
Nemo.
was taken to, Sydney. Yes, and it's really, really important that we get there as fast as we can. So can you help us out? Come on, little fella. Come on.
Great. I'm a little fella. I don't think that's a little fella.
Oh, big fella. Big fella. Whale. Okay. Maybe he only speaks whale.
What are you doing? Are you sure you speak whale?
Can you?
Dory, heaven knows what you're saying. See, he's flying away.
Come back.
He's not coming back. We will offended him.
Maybe a different dialect.
Dory, this is not whale. You're speaking like upset stomach.
I should try humpback.
No, don't try humpback. Maybe
Maybe louder, huh?
Don't do that.
Too much orca. Didn't it sound a little